broke his stick, but it stays in the zone. Backes a drive and a save by Varlamov. With Oshie right in front, and now Steen is upended in front, and he is livid. He's going after somebody.
Really the first physical play we really had in this game, a game that we expected a lot of things to happen because of what happened in the first meeting that these two teams had back in St. Louis in October. But the first time we've seen some pushing and shoving, but the shot really threw traffic there. Varlamov with a save, and Steen comes in, gets pushed over, and gets up not happy at all. You see Backes coming in, and McGinn comes in, and then it's a scrum and a pile-up, and this is how you play physical hockey. Everybody comes together. No one gets any damage against it when you get everybody into the scrum, and certainly that's exactly what the Blues did. And I don't know if they're going to call any penalties. Look like there's a couple of guys. Backes is in the box, and it's going to be Tyson Barrie that goes off. So here's I think that we thought that we were going to see a lot of as Ken Hitchcock looks on. He told us that if anything was going to start, the guys would be ready for it, and certainly he was ready when David Backes is always ready, it seems. But here we go back to Monday night. As you can see, that's when Steen actually got hit by Spurgeon. He looked like he got a little bit of a Charlie horse, and you see Backes coming right in, and hey, I don't blame Backes for doing that. Steen's got 20 goals. You need to protect him as well.
That's what you call team toughness.
Yes, it is.
So we go 4-on-4 here. And a lot of speed on the ice for both clubs. Schwartz gets it for the Blues. Up front with Sabotka. What a move there by Schwartz. Taken down, but no call. Then he goes off, and now we're right.